Hi everyone, welcome to Menlo's headquarters. Today I'm going to be talking about this Sungrow inverter. So if you're about to have a PV installation done at your property, I'm going to talk about why this might be the right string inverter for you. Sungrow are the largest provider of inverters in the world, so you can trust their warranty conditions. There are no if, buts or maybe. If something goes wrong with your inverter, Sungrow will support you and even pay for an installer to come out and replace your unit. The AFCI feature ensures safety above everything else, so you can go to bed and sleep safe at night knowing that nothing's going to go wrong. Another great feature about this inverter is its global MPPT. This stops the efficiency from being affected in the whole string when one or more panels is affected by shade or damage. After installation, you can use the monitoring software. The monitoring software has error analysis so that you can diagnose and solve simple problems by yourself without having to call your installer. Another great thing about Sungrow is that they have warehouses specifically dedicated for holding extra stock, so if anything goes wrong, they can replace your inverter within 48 hours, so you're not missing any sunny days. And last but not least, all you need to do is look at the unit. It's a good looking unit, aren't you a cutie? Which you don't need to feel embarrassed about having in your living room. In your living room? Why would you have it in your living room? Last but not least, all you need to do is look at the unit. It's an aesthetically pleasing unit which you wouldn't feel embarrassed about having in your garage. If you'd like to have anything to compare this to, take a look at some of our other videos which are listed in the description down below. Enjoy the rest of your day. See you in the next one.